Hi guys, welcome back. For today's video, I will unbox my new iron, Thermosita. Let's open. Oh, wow, it's nice. Look at guys. Nice. It's good. It's nice. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you when we see you. Bye.